Ready to be busy in your garden? You need busy bees to help you out. I'm Tracy at Salisbury Greenhouse in St. Albert with Rob to tell you why pollinators are so important.
Hey Tracy, yeah, pollinators, I mean bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, they're huge. Not only are they a sign of a healthy yard, a good chemical-free yard, but you bring them in, they're gonna give you more food, more sour cherries, more apples, more strawberries, because they're doing their thing.
I love these.
Salvia, absolutely gorgeous, and bees just adore salvia. Milkweed, it's like a monarch butterfly's favorite food, right?
Nice.
So beautiful milkweed, gaillardia, blanket flower, delphinium, you know, there's so many different types. Stick to perennials, not annuals, and the more native you can get, the better. Like salvia, you know, there's a lot of native types of salvia because they really attract those pollinators.
That's fantastic to know. And you should be busy getting over to one of the Salisbury Greenhouse locations, St. Albert, Sherwood Park, or you can check them out online at salisburygreenhouse.com.